This short video is going to be about doing split-turned salad servers. These are some previous examples. The lathe is used to make two identical pieces. Use any available very sharp turning gouges. Using a previous example, we can take measurements and begin the process. We select the lumber and then rip and cross-cut it to size. We wind up with two pieces identically sized in width and length and thickness. Then we make a drawing and then a template for the final size. We glue the pieces together with newspaper in between. We find the center and then 8-side the blank. Put the blank on the lathe and begin the rough turning. Continue turning until you have the final shape. Sand the piece while it's still on the lathe, using finer and finer grits. Split the piece at the newspaper joint. You will then have two identical pieces ready to carve. Start carving by drilling to a controlled depth. Sand away the newspaper residue and finish the entire piece. I've decided to finish not only this project, but some pieces I've made previously with mineral oil. These are some examples of using split turning to make furniture.